Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to repair Windows 11 using command prompt. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to power on your system and wait for your Windows 11 computer to fully load. Make sure everything is completely booted up before moving forward, as this ensures that all system processes are running properly and ready for the repair commands we'll be executing. Once your PC is fully loaded and ready, we can begin the repair process. Direct your attention to the Windows Start menu located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on it to open the Start menu. In the search bar that appears, type in CMD. This will bring up the command prompt application. Now here's an important step. You need to run command prompt as an administrator to ensure you have the necessary permissions to execute system repair commands. Right-click on command prompt and select Run as Administrator from the options. This elevated access is crucial because the repair commands we're about to use require administrative privileges to scan and modify protected system files. Now I'm going to walk you through a couple of essential command lines that will help repair your Windows 11 system. The first command we'll use is designed to check and fix corrupted system files on your computer. This is one of the most powerful built-in repair tools Windows has to offer. On your screen, you'll see the command line displayed. Take a moment to pause the video if needed and carefully copy this command exactly as shown. Once you've copied it, paste it into the command prompt window and press enter. The system will now begin scanning all protected system files and replacing any corrupted ones with correct versions. This process may take several minutes depending on your system's condition, so be patient and let it run completely. You'll see progress updates as the scan moves through different stages. After the first command completes its process, we'll move on to the second repair command. This command line is specifically designed to check your disk for errors and fix any issues it discovers. Disk errors can cause system instability, slow performance, and even data corruption, so running this check is essential for maintaining a healthy Windows installation. Again, you'll see the command displayed on your screen. Copy it carefully, paste it into command prompt, and press enter to execute it. The system will now scan your hard drive for bad sectors, file system errors, and other disk-related problems, automatically repairing anything it finds. And that's it, you've successfully used command prompt to repair your Windows 11 system by checking for corrupted files and disk errors. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.